Do you have skin, hair, nail problems? Or do you feel loss of muscle mass? Do you feel that the growth of your child is not happening? Or is your immune system is too weak? If you have any of these symptoms, then it may be the sign of protein deficiency in your body, but not anymore. Because our mission is to make you healthy. So welcome to our channel Fit for Life. There are basically 7 major types of nutrients such as carbohydrate, fats, proteins, fibers, minerals, vitamins, water. Carbohydrates, fats, fiber, proteins and water are called macronutrients because these are very much needed for our body in large amounts. But others are called micronutrients as they are needed in a small quantity. Among these nutrients, proteins play a vital role in creating a healthy body. Protein is an important nutrient for everyone. It is not just for athletes and bodybuilders, but everyone needs it badly. Whether you are a child or a boy, or an adult or an aged person, you need it every day to become fit and fine. Proteins are also called the building blocks of life. Each and every cell in our body contains proteins. The structure of protein is a chain of amino acids. There are multiple functions that protein does in our body. We will proceed one by one. Number 1, it builds our muscles. If you want to look muscular, then you have to add proteins to your diet because protein is the only nutrient which builds our muscles. If you look skinny, then take proteins every day in your diet. It not only builds our muscles but also create glowing skin. It helps in the development of our bones as well as it create healthy, shiny and strong hair. Basically, those who are children or who are between the age group from 3 to 25 years, they must eat enough proteins to make the growth possible. Protein helps increase height as protein helps in the development of bones and it builds muscles, so it ultimately helps in the increase of our height. So when you are below 25 years, then you must take sufficient proteins in your diet, otherwise you will be short in height. Number 3, protein helps repair tissues, cells and muscles. If you have any damage or wounds on your body, then protein repairs that gradually. In this way, it helps in recovery. Number 4, protein helps create certain hormones. Protein helps create hormones like testosterone, estrogen, insulin and growth hormones, which ultimately helps in the development of our body. Number 5, protein also develops immune system. It makes antibodies and immunoglobulins in our body so that our body can fight against any disease and infections easily. In this way, it helps to boost our immune system. Number 6, protein can supply energy to our body. Protein contains 4 calories per gram, the same amount of energy that carbs provide. That's why it also makes us energetic as well as active in our day-to-day life. Last but not the least, it transports and stores nutrients. Proteins carry substances throughout our bloodstream, into cells, out of cells and within cells. Substances like vitamins, minerals, blood sugars and oxygen are transported by these proteins. So these were the most important functions of proteins in our body. That's why eat proteins every day to lead a healthy life. In this video, we have discussed that why protein is very essential for our body. In the next video, we will discuss what are the best protein rich food that we must consume every day. So stay tuned.